Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn encapsulation in Java in detail. Encapsulation is one of the most important OOPS concept and is used in almost every real-world Java application. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation means wrapping up data and methods into a single unit. That single unit is a class. We bind variables and methods together in a class. Encapsulation is one of the four main pillars of the OOPS. Why do we need encapsulation? We use encapsulation to protect our data. It helps in data hiding. It allows controlled access to variables. This makes code safer and easier to maintain. Now let us see here let us say example where a problem occurs without encapsulation. Here the variable age is public by default. Anyone can change the age directly. This can cause wrong data into enter the system. This is not a safe in a real application. So let's see the solution using encapsulation. Here we made the variable as a private. Now it cannot be accessed directly. We use the setter and getter methods to control how the data is set and retrieved. This is the encapsulation in action. Let us see what are setter and getter methods. Getter methods are used to read the value. Setter methods are used to update the value. This gives controlled access to the data instead of direct access. This is one of the real-time example for the encapsulation. In real applications like banking system, we never allow direct access to the balance. We provide methods like deposit and withdraw to control how the balance is updated. This protects the data and avoids invalid operations. Let's try one of the encapsulation example in IDE. So here it is showing as you have to create the class as student. So we will create the student class. We declare variables as private. Now let's create the setters and getter methods. You can create the setter and getter methods by using right click on it, go to source. Here generate getter and setter methods. Select the both the variables and generate. So now let's setting the values using the setters. Is dot set id of 101 is dot set name of do some name Rahul. Now you have to getting the values using getters. Okay, let's run this program. So you can see the output to student ID as 101, student name as Rahul. Here the variables are private, access using a public getters and setters. Data is protected from the direct access. And in the main method, we create an object of student class here, and we set the values using set ID and set name. Then we print the values using get ID and get name. This is called encapsulation. Data is hidden and accessed only through the methods. So let us see what are the benefits of encapsulation. Encapsulation improves security of the data. If we want to change the logic later, we can change it inside the methods without affecting other parts of the code. This makes the code flexible and maintainable. Now let us understand what is the difference between the encapsulation and data hiding. Encapsulation is wrapping up data and methods. Data hiding is restricting access using private keyword. Both together provides better security. The common mistakes beginners make while writing the encapsulation code is keeping the variables public and not validating the input in setter methods. Always validate the data inside the setter methods. So this is some of the common interview questions. Make sure you understand this clearly. What is encapsulation in Java? Difference between encapsulation and abstraction. Why use private variables? Can a class be fully encapsulated? Now let us summarize. Encapsulation binds data methods together. We use private variables and public methods. This improves security and makes the code easy to maintain. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. In the next video, we will learn about inheritance in Java, the second pillar of the OOPS concept. Thank you.